needed a system that would help my family know what was for lunch and dinner, so I purchased this board off of Facebook Marketplace to create a menu board. I also purchased this permanent vinyl from Hobby Lobby. It's from the brand Paper Studio. First, I'm going to cut the vinyl down to size so it fits on my Cricut mat. Next, I will use my Cricut maker to cut out the letters for my menu. I'll post a link in the description of a video that does a great job explaining how to use your Cricut to cut, weed, and use the transfer tape. I bought this Y-line adhesive vinyl tool set from Amazon and it works absolutely great. I love how it's inexpensive and comes in this cute carrying case. I'll have the link in the description as well. Once the vinyl is cut and weeded, I use the Cricut transfer tape to help place the words on the board. To make sure that the words stay, I'm going to use a scraper tool that I bought from the Target dollar spot, and then I will carefully peel off the transfer tape. Now I'm just going to repeat the steps for the rest of the days of the week. I'm cutting out removable vinyl to place at the bottom of the board. I'm going to use this area to write down items that we are out of. I decided to use index cards to write down what the menu items for the week will be. But first, I need to cover them with this clear laminate to make the words on the cards erasable with dry erase markers. Next, I'm going to cut out small pieces of Velcro strips to help adhere the cards to the board. Using a hot glue gun, I dab a small amount of glue to the back of the cards as well as to the board. In order to keep the marker from going missing, I tied the cap to the side using twine. I hope this inspires you to create a menu board that works for your family. Thanks for watching.